Paranapiacaba, a hidden gem in Brazil, located in the state of São Paulo, is a charming district nestled in the midst of lush forests and rolling hills. Driving to and from to this iconic place itself is adventurous and beautiful. This picturesque town is a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it an ideal destination for tourists and nature enthusiasts. Paranapiacaba's history dates back to the 19th century when it was a thriving railway town. The town's name, which translates to place from where the sea is seen, reflects its strategic location. Today, visitors can explore the town's well-preserved architecture, including the iconic railway station and historic buildings. The Railway Museum speaks in volume about the town's railway history and the vintage locomotives. We wandered through the charming streets. Paranapiacaba is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered.